This is the final video to fix the fram render exe stopped working error. Are you also facing this problem? You open a program or game, and suddenly a small box pops up saying fram render exe has stopped working, and everything freezes or crashes. It feels so annoying, right? Especially when you don't even know what that message means. So, why does this error happen? This file is a part of many software programs, like browsers or apps that use web-based content. Sometimes it gets damaged or outdated, and that causes your app to stop working. It can also happen because of missing system files, an old graphics driver, or even a Windows update that didn't install correctly. Now, if you search on YouTube or Facebook, you'll find many videos showing long and confusing methods. They'll tell you to run so many commands or edit registry files, and honestly, that's just too complicated for most people. But when I faced the same problem, I found a very easy and secret trick that fixed it in just a few minutes. No coding, no complex steps, and it worked perfectly. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial on how I solved it so easily, just comment down below and let me know. And if this video helped you understand why the error happens, make sure to like and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more simple and working fixes like this one.